Hello my friends, welcome to my channel where I make Photoshop fun and easy to learn. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating this kind of flyer inside of Photoshop, right? We'll be designing this inside of Photoshop. Without having to say much, if you've not gotten your Smart Designer Premium asset, now this Smart Premium asset has backgrounds, PNGs, fonts, text, and so many effects to make you work smart and better. Also, there are template flyers that can make you work faster. All you need to do is click on the description of this video and check them out, and also subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed. Without having to say much, let's get started. So the first thing to do is click on new. I'm going to set my size to 4x5, and I'm going to impute the name of the flyer here. So resolution 300 and transparent, and I'm going to click OK like this. First thing I'm going to do, click on solid color, and I'm going to make the background white, working on a white background. The next thing I'm going to do is go over to my resource file. The link to download the resource file for this video is in the description of this video, alongside the link to get the templates and the Smart Designer Premium assets. So I'm just going to bring this in here, and I'm going to make it smaller so I can clean off the edges. So first things first, I'm going to select the mask, click on the mask, go over to my brush, select the brush. If your cap lock is on, make sure you turn it off, and I'm going to go over the edges like this to get rid of them. Over here too, I'm going to do the same thing, and on top, and sorry, Ctrl Z when you make a mistake, and on the bottom like this, right? Great. So I have this in place. I'm just going to put it at the side here. Ctrl T to bring out the transform, rotate this, and I'm just going to make this bigger like this, and I'm going to have this here. Move it up like this and rotate it just a little bit. Like this, and when you're done, click enter. So now what you have to do is duplicate this, Ctrl J, and right click and flip horizontal. This. Click enter when you're done, and you have this set and good to go. Alright, so select the two of them, hold down shift, select the two of them. You can increase the size like this, whichever way works best for you. And when I'm done with this, I'm going to right click on the two of them and click on convert to smart object. Alright, so it becomes one image like this. So go over to filter, camera raw filter, and I'm just going to make it pop a little bit. So what I'm going to do is simple. I'm going to increase the texture, increase the DAs, increase the clarity like this, and click OK. Go over to your resource file and bring in this image. Alright, so I'm going to make it bigger to cover up, and I'm going to mask it, select the brush, and make it bigger and clean off these areas. I just want this part here. Okay, so easy peasy, quick and fast. So we have this in place. Next thing I'm going to do is, I could have used this, but I choose to use sticks. So you can use any of them for your design. So I'm going to bring this up here like this. Position this here. I'm going to duplicate this, Ctrl J, and make this one smaller. Right? Make this one smaller. Or perhaps I'm going to change the position. Right? So I'm going to bring this here. So it's from, yeah. Either ways actually works, but I just prefer this. Alright, so having this, this is more like a composition. So I'm going to select the 3 of them, this one, all of them like this, and I'm going to double click and rename this BG. BG means background. So I'm going to select my text like this. So the font I am using is Anticore. So you can Google it out and download the font. But if you want a comprehensive font, if you want my fonts like the font I use for my designs most times, you can download the Smart Designer Premium Assets. You have a wide range of fonts inside of the Smart Designer Premium Assets. So I'm going to move this one upward, and for now I'm going to focus on formatting my text. So this is going to be Mubarak. I'm going to change the font. So the font I use for this is going to be Contracts. Of course, you can search it up via social media. And yeah. So I'm going to increase this spaces between the letters. So I think somewhere around here is good. I'm just going to centralize it. And we're good to go. So of course, this is not working well because I want that chain up to be visible like this, so it feels like it's dropping, right? So yeah, this is what I want. Make sure this is visible, right? So moving on, let's continue with the rest of the text. So select the text to like this. I'm going to change the font to the one I used. Open this up. It's a Galano Grotesque. That's one of my favorite fonts. Click, draw a text box like this, right? Draw a text box. I'm going to reduce the spaces between the texts, and of course, I'm going to drop this. Okay, take this out a little bit. I'm going to reduce the size of the font, maybe like a 5. I think this is small. Reduce the space between the lines, and reduce this way, so you have something like this, and it's not centralized. Make sure you click on this to centralize it. Ctrl T, then you can make this bigger by yourself. You have something like this. All right. So moving on, you can have your color because the colors actually match like this, but then I want to modify this. So I'm just going to, this is the color for the text. So you can use this. I sampled the color from that image, from this image here for the text. So I'm practically working with everything inside of my composition. So click on the background, go over to hue and saturation, click on colorize, and this is what you have. So you can move like this. So this is my position. Put my settings. I'm at 280. My saturation is at, you don't need to do too much, right? I can leave my saturation here. and I can choose to also make it pop more by increasing it this way. But whatever you do, make sure you don't get to 100. All right, so I have this in place. Bringing this down also. So I'm just going to bring in, now this is inside of my Smart Designer Premium asset. You can see that you have so many quality premium PNGs. This is 800 PNG files inside here. These PNG files, these are files that will make you work smart and fast. Right, so I just have this. This is a PNG of birds in flight. So I'm just going to drag it below this. And another thing I can do is to also make it smaller. So I'm just going to go back, select the bed, and all of these things. I think I need space. Let me move them up. So use the arrow key to move them up. So I just want the beds to be within the white line or the white space. So select the bed, Ctrl T, make it slightly smaller like this. And when you have your desired results, you are good to go. So the last thing I want to do is these images, I want to make them pop. So I'm going to start with the big one. Go over to filter, camera raw filter. And when it opens up, go over to, if it gets texture, yes, you're right. If it gets clarity, you're right. So click OK. And those are the two things I'm going to be adding to make this pop. So hold down the Alt key. Instead of going back the same process, hold down the Alt key and drag this to have that here. And this is what you have, guys. If you've got to this point and you've created something like this, make sure you don't pass this video without giving it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this video to as many people that will need this. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video just up above. Ciao.